Let's step through making this shimmery green cup. I started with a sanded and primed 15-ounce tumbler, and I taped off a few sections and added a thin coat of Tack-It. Once the Tack-It dried, I brushed on some of this green apple pigment. Once I get all of the pigment on there, I go in and I seal it with some Celestial Luster from the Adhesive Apothecary. This gives it a little bit of a color shift, and it seals glitter and pigments and things like that. So then I grabbed this UV wrap and put most of that down. This wrap was for a 16-ounce snow globe, so it was a little bit wider than I needed for this cup. So I cut off a few of the pieces, put most of the wrap down, and then individually placed the extra pieces that I had. Then I went in with this green striping tape. You'll see later that I decided that I don't like this striping tape, and I go over the striping tape with a different color vinyl to kind of cover it up. So once that was down, I go in and I seal it with some more of this Celestial Luster. You'll see on the bottom there that some of the pigment settles to the bottom. So you got to shake it up really good. I shook it for a good 60 seconds until it got incorporated in there. Once it was all shook up, I sealed the UV wrap and the striping tape. With that, once it dried, I went in with some vinyl on the bottom and I put on this glittery white vinyl striping tape. Now once I get that striping tape down, I'm going to go in there and I'm going to seal it with some binding potion from the Adhesive Apothecary. Once that binding potion dries, I go in with another coat of resin from Chaos Resin mixed with some pure pigment from PDB Creative Studios. And then once that final layer of resin cured, it was done. And here she is.